Surely with maintenance. I'm going to show you how to clean a filter on this Whirlpool Duet Direct Drive. I'll leave the model number in the description below. On these ones, you don't have to go through the front. You can, you just have to take more off. You have to take off the dryer off the top. That's the good part about these ones. Not that I like coming through the back. I like it when they have that whole front already. But this is it down here below. I already cleaned the filter. Just thought I'll shoot a message, but it's down here. You twist this off. Might need a pair of channel locks. As you're taking it off, see, I already cleaned it. Cleaned all the holes from it. Usually that's clogged. They pulled out some coins and some lint and stuff. And as you're taking it off, that's why I have the shop vac here. I was holding the hose right here as I was taking it off and the water was spilling out. I was sucking all the water, or you can put a plastic tub down here to catch the water as you're taking it off. Either way, depends on how full the washer is. Because sometimes the door won't open because there's water inside. And I just find it easier with the shop vac. So I just wanted to shoot a quick video. Now I'm gonna put this back on. A certain way it goes back on. Now I'm gonna look for any leaks. Show you how to do that. How to run the diagnostics so we can check for any leaks. Make sure this is on. Reset, then you go in 3 sequence. I already cleared the codes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 88, already cleared the codes. I cleared the codes. You press and hold soil down like this. And then it will clear the codes. Then there's no codes, of course. Then you hit spin. The start button will start flashing. Then you press it once. Now it's in diagnostics. My main concern right now, since I already checked everything, should have did it from the beginning, but I want to make sure there's no leaks. It's doing the fill now. Bring me that book, the instruction book. I'll show you on this book here, which is under the lid, but I took one from another unit. That way I don't have to keep taking the dry off the seat. This will tell you each one of the codes. If yours is stacked, I suggest next time you take it off, just save the book. See, this tells you, oh, I got it in different language. You find the English so you can see what I'm talking about. This tells you how to put it in the diagnostics. Each one tells you what it's doing. We're on C3. C3 says cold 2 valve, so that's the softener. It should be coming out the softener. C4 is the hot water, so it's probably putting hot water in the soap dispenser. 5, the drum's gonna rotate. It's not already. but that's what it's actually testing. It'll tell you if it's working or not. Just goes down the line here. Very handy. I just look for leaks. I already did all this earlier. But after I'm done thinking, I haven't made a video in a while. I just want to make sure we're all good. Goes through the cycles pretty quick. There's 9, we're already on 5. Now it's doing it the opposite way. We're on 6. But it doesn't look like I have any leaks there. Sonic called this good. Just want to make this short and simple. Thanks for watching. Want to give you this too. Just still on the video, showing you the drain. Now I'm going to move it back. Windex is your friend. I'm pulling it out, especially if it's in the small closet. Helps it slide better. Hold this. I don't know what it is about Windex, but it makes it slide on the floor better, especially when you're working by yourself. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.